Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple videos into one using Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Create a Design button and select Video from the options. This opens up Canva's video editor, which is perfect for combining multiple clips into a single seamless file. Next, you'll need to choose a format for your video. Go ahead and select landscape video if you want a standard horizontal video that works well for YouTube, presentations, or social media posts. This format ensures your merged video maintains professional dimensions and plays correctly across different platforms. Now look over to the left sidebar and click on Uploads. This section is where you'll bring in all the video files you want to merge together. It's important to have your clips ready beforehand so you can work efficiently through the merging process. Once you're in the Upload section, click Upload Files and choose your video files from your computer. You can select multiple videos at once, which saves time and keeps everything organized in one place. Canva will process and upload these files to your project library. After your videos have finished uploading, click the first uploaded video to add it to the design. This places your first clip on the canvas and serves as the starting point of your merged video. You'll see it appear on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now here's the key to merging videos in Canva. Click the plus button to add a new page for the next video clip. Each page in Canva's video editor represents a segment of your final video, and they'll play one after another in sequence. This is how Canva handles video merging, by stacking pages that flow together. Next, click the second uploaded video to add it to the new page you just created. This adds your second clip right after the first one, continuing the flow of your merged video. The clips will automatically play in the order of the pages you create. If you have more than 2 videos to merge, simply repeat the plus and video select steps for any additional clips. Keep adding pages and placing videos in the order you want them to appear. This gives you complete control over the sequence and timing of your merged video. Before finalizing everything, click Preview or the Play button to check that the clips play in the correct order. This preview function lets you watch the entire merged video from start to finish, ensuring smooth transitions and the right sequence. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks and sounds exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with how everything flows together, click Share and then click Download. This opens the export options where you'll save your finished merged video as a single file ready to use anywhere. Finally, select MP4 video and click Download to save the merged video as one file. MP4 is the most versatile video format and works on virtually any device or platform. Canva will process and export your merged video, combining all your separate clips into one seamless file. And that's it, you've successfully merged multiple videos into one file using Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.